Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general reading for Virgo Earth sign. This is weekly reading for the month of September. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see Virgo, your recent past. Three of Wands, the Hermit, the Star. I think some waiting game is going between both of you. Still you both are hoping for this connection. Someone is waiting for the other person to take action towards them. Definitely it could be you or it could be your person also, because one person is not right now in hermit mode, they're spiritually awakening, but one person is waiting for the another person to take action towards them. Still one person or you both are hoping for this connection. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. King of Swords, Nine of Pentacles, Queen of Swords. Whoa. You both are strong couple, definitely. King of Swords and Queen of Swords, King of Swords. So communication, I think some communication issues are happening between both of you. One person decided to be single, and I think one person is very abundant and emotionally independent in this connection. I think you both, that's why here is the problem, because you both are equal in this. So let's see some more messages to get clarity. Yeah, Two of Wands, lot of fire energy. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag. Three of Pentacles, Page of Swords. Yeah, Two of Wands and Three of Pentacles and Page of Swords. I think one person in this connection thinking about this connection a lot, or about their person a lot. I think you both want to work on this relationship, because you both egos are equal, you both are equal. Okay, but you both have to put same effort to take this relationship to next level. And Page of Swords. Yeah, one person is spying on you. Another person, I think some communication terms are not good, I am getting for some. So you both have to work on this relationship. So we'll go your person near future actions towards you. Let's see. Temperance, you or your person could be Sagittarius, or you or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Knight of Swords, Temperance and Knight of Swords, the Hierophant, Four of Swords. Yeah, I think your person right now thinking, I think it Two of Wands could be your person card. Definitely your person thinking about you a lot. They are thinking about you a lot, and they want to offer commitment, and they want to come towards you, but patience and balance is needed, because Four of Swords with Temperance, definitely it will take time to come, your person to come towards you. So you have to be patient, and balance is also needed in this connection. So let's pull some more cards from universe for final message regarding connection. Okay, the Emperor. Yeah, one person in this connection is very committed and very loyal. It could be you, Virgo. Yeah, Chariot. Yes, definitely this connection is going to be next level, but it is slow, but still going to next level. You or your person could be Cancer also. Yeah, King of Pentacles. Definitely this connection is going to be next level. Final card. Yeah, see here, King of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles, King of Swords and Queen of Swords. Yes, you both from King of Swords to Queen of Swords, and there is upgrade to King of Pentacles to Queen of Pentacles. Definitely you both very loving and very sharing. In past you both could be short temper, egoist, whatever, but now you are in this mode. Definitely this relation, you both want to work on this relationship, and you both will take to this relationship to next level, and you both will become King of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles. Wow, definitely you will wait. If you are not seeing your person taking action towards you, please wait patiently, because here Four of Swords with Temperance. So you have to wait patiently. So this is the reading for you, Virgo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.